Come on, Dusty, you're always the last one.
We're leaving our hotel here in Medford. We're going to be following Zoe. Jesus Denver's going to be behind us, and behind that is Chris M. So we're on our way to Tokakawawara. Where the f are we going? Okay. So there's where we stayed, at the Cat Motel. Nora is such a sweet person. Please stay with her. There's beautiful cats. And there's the sheriff. Hey, and there's that really cool tank-looking thing. It's like, it looks like an anti-tank gun, honestly. So we're on our way out. So stick with us here. You'll see some great footage as we leave Medford, Oklahoma. We head out east towards Ponca City. Not in Ponca City, because I don't need a ticket again. And yeah.
After a pleasant drive, we met up with Mel and Corey at the local gas station just south of Ponca City.
Convoy of the trucks, we're going to film locations. We got the two Rams, we got Mel, we got Cody, I believe. I'm sorry, I forgot. I got me, Leo, White Leo. Then we got Jesus Denver. Then we got Zoe. Then we got, wow, I'm slow. I gotta hang up. Bye.
I had to fly the drone from here on out, so my buddy Tucker took up the mantle of driving the Jeep while I flew the drone. He hasn't driven a manual in a while, so it took him a bit with the clutch, but in a couple of tries we were then off and on to the races. We eventually got to film each one of us doing the turn of the F2 scene as well as the Gimme a Kiss Man scene, just do stay tuned with us. And I do want to make a mention, if you got your Maverick 2 update firmware and you notice your side-to-side movement is changed, be sure to check your brake bypass. I found that later on during an off-road trip after the Waukita trip, and sadly I wish I knew it then, but hey, that's why there's always next year to film the Twister remake scenes that we try to do at the film locations.
it go?
I think, yeah.
Yep.
I think
We had it. All four wheels went about 4 o'clock.
No matter how much you tighten those belts.
yeah, that's annoying.
It drives me nuts.
I was gonna say that's Murphy's.
It's getting a good running truck.
No, that was pretty good too.
Oh!
So Jesus and I noticed we had to head out soon, and we had to be in Topeka by at least 5 p.m. So we asked where we're going next for the locations, because we really had to get going. The ditch scene was nearby, so we headed down there just to take a few pictures and whatnot, since we had the Jeep and the Rams and all that, including the Ram with the camper shell. And at first we had the wrong call of it, but soon a nearby neighbor said the man who owned the farm is home, and we also did want to ask him if we can grab another piece of the bridge. He came down and actually let us drive where the ditch scene was filmed in. I was flabbergasted. We actually did grab a few pieces of the bridge for the rest of the folks in our Twister group, as I got my fair share last year. Still no Dorothy sensors to be found around the area, and thankfully, no venomous snakes. Mel had to roll out as well to get home, as he had to work the next day. So he rolled right after we got out of the field. We couldn't say our tearful goodbyes, we still were able to wave goodbye to each other. Jesus and I had to get going as well, but we wanted to film one scene since the Delica is the new Jonas mobile. I borrowed Chris M's hat and pretended to be Dusty while running up to the van with that famous scene line of, "Hey, the Auto Club's here."
Hey, the other club's here.
You fashionably late again, Jonas, huh? You fashionably late, huh? Come on, man. Give me a kiss, man, huh? Move on! Move on! Get out of here!
Our time limit for Jesus and I hit our mark, and we had to head out, taking the road that they filmed the ditch scene on. It led us right to the Sunset Bridge scene in the movie. It's a very narrow one-lane road bridge, and thankfully no one was coming down as we were crossing. Please enjoy some of the other footage that Zoe and the rest of the group took after Jesus and I left.